Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week our staff of educators tries to introduce you to a person of interest in the financial world. This could be a person in government or banking or an important investor or trader. Over the next coming months, ITA will take a look into each US presidential candidate. In this video, we're going to take a look into Ted Cruz, the newest entry into the arena. Mr. Cruz is hardly the only conservative seeking the Republican nomination, and he could be overmatched by rivals able to raise more money to enjoy crossover support from more moderate Republicans, or both. Should he find himself the torchbearer for the right, he would still find it difficult to defeat a better-funded Republican who had the backing of the party establishment. In the general election, Mr. Cruz would most likely struggle to appeal to centrist voters, and at the same time he could find himself unable to rouse the portion of the electorate that aligns with him ideologically but doesn't vote. Senator Ted Cruz of Texas announced recently that he would run for president in 2016, becoming the first Republican candidate to declare himself officially in the race. Linking the determination of his immigrant father with the resolve of the Founding Fathers and his own faith in the promise of America, Mr. Cruz spoke at length about his family and his faith as he laid out a case for his candidacy. Mr. Cruz, a first-term senator, is seen by Republicans and Democrats as a divisive figure in Washington, but as a truth-telling hero to many conservatives and evangelical Americans. In 2012, Ted Cruz was elected as the 34th U.S. Senator from Texas. A passionate fighter for limited government, economic growth, and the Constitution, Ted won a decisive victory in both the Republican primary and the general election, despite having never before been elected to office. Propelled by tens of thousands of grassroots activists across Texas, Ted's election has been described by the Washington Post as the biggest upset of 2012. Ted's father was born in Cuba, fought in the revolution and was imprisoned and tortured. He fled to Texas in 1957, penniless and not speaking a word of English. He washed dishes for 50 cents an hour, paid his way through the University of Texas, and started a small business in the oil and gas industry. Today, Ted's father is a pastor in Dallas.